To create a new project in Unity, start by opening the Unity Hub. Then, go to the Projects tab on the left-hand side. Then, click on the New Project button that is in the top right corner of your application. Then, scroll down until you hit the 2D mobile application. That is what we are going to be making here. There are a lot of other options, but this is the one that we are doing for this tutorial. If you don't have the template installed, you'll see this Download Template button. Simply select that button and download the template. Since I already have it installed, it is all set and ready for me to go. So we are going to name our project. I recommend keeping the name of the project to one word. So we are going to be naming it My First Project, and you can also change the location of the project if you would like. Then click the Create Project button. This will now start creating your project, and the Unity editor will load up. This may take a while for its first load, but once it is ready, you are ready to work on your project.